Alright team, so we've got the big Hunter Kauri on the back, and we're in the van, and the van's quite empty. We got Lynch Driveway here, and I'll tell you, it is a beast. I mean, seriously, look at this. Yeah, we got to get up there somehow. So normally we have to floor it.
We have to floor it, don't we, Lynn?
We have to floor it.
We have to floor it, and we got a bridge which is a bit dodgy.
Yeah, after the storm, the floods, it is a bit dodgy. But let's give it a go.
Right, guys, I'm going to give it a crack. Give it a crack.
All there, you know. Hold on to it tight.
Yep.
Look at me. Look at me. Jesus, guys, wish me luck. I'm going in. Now, how
Just
much?
go fast. Just go
Well,
fast.
how much weight is this bridge going to take? We've got 2 tons of root on there.
Just go straight and go fast.
Straight and fast. Straight and fast. Yeah, mate. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Oh no. How are you gonna hit your car?
Well, we didn't make it. Got about halfway. And there was a van sliding backwards down the hill. If I just got over that right there, I think it would have been right, but I think if I just push it now, I'm just going to blow the gearbox, so we're going to get the truck. Get the truck.